Does not matter. I start again. मैं फिर से शुरू करता हूँ. Yes, landscape of the soul. A wonderful old tale is told about the painter Woodhouse. There was a very famous painter named Woodhouse, and a very beautiful story is told about that painter. उस पेंटर के बारे में एक अच्छी सी स्टोरी कही जाती है. Who lived in 8th century? That painter belonged to the 8th century. His last painting was a landscape. His last painting was a scenery, a landscape commissioned by the Tang Empress Xuanzong. And it was inaugurated. Commission means inaugurated. And it was inaugurated by a Tang Emperor Xuanzong to decorate a place wall. And the emperor had to decorate that painting on the wall. उनको वॉल पर ये पेंटिंग डेकोरेट करनी थी. The master had hidden his work behind a screen. Now the master, the painter had hidden, the painter had covered his painting behind a screen. यानी कि the painting was covered. The painting was covered behind the screen. जैसे किसी कपड़े से या किसी से तो पेंटिंग वो कवर्ड थी. क्या होता है बेटा? What happened when just we do any new work and it has to be inaugurated by someone, so we cover that work. हम उस वर्क को कवर कर देते हैं and then the VIP man comes and inaugurates that painting or means uncovers that painting. It is known as inauguration. So the painting was hidden behind a screen. So only the emperor would see it, and only the emperor would see it after inauguration. First of all, the emperor would inaugurate that painting and see that painting first of all. For a long while, the emperor admired the wonderful scene, and when the painting was uncovered by the king was quite shocked to see that beautiful landscape. किंग जो था उस ब्यूटीफुल लैंडस्केप को देख करके दंग रह गया. ही वाज क्वाइट बैफिल्ड, दंग रह गया. बिकॉज़ पेंटिंग वाज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. And discovering forests, high mountains, waterfalls, clouds floating in the immense sky, and he wanted to observe all these things which are mentioned in the line. What he wanted to observe? He wanted to see a forest, because we just draw forest in the painting. We draw forest, high mountains, waterfalls, झरने. We also draw waterfalls in the paintings and clouds floating in the sky. And we also show, दिखाते हैं, we also show the clouds floating in the sky, आकाश में तैरते हुए बादल. Men on hilly path, we also saw the people moving on hilly path, going on hilly path. Birds in flight, we also show the birds. हम birds भी show करते हैं. Like this is a mountain, okay, this is the cloud floating in the sky, and this is the bird which are flying in the sky, like that. And it is the waterfalls, the flowing water. All these things are included to draw a beautiful landscape. Look, sir, look, said the painter. Painter said, look, sir, in this cave, just have a look in this cave. There was also a cave in the landscape. at the foot of the mountain. Just see a cave at the foot of the mountain. Mountains की जड़ में बिल्कुल एक cave है. just उसको देखिएगा आप. Yes, dwells a spirit. Sir, in this cave lives a spirit. इसमें एक spirit रहती है, एक आत्मा रहती है. The painter clapped his hands. Painter clapped his hands. ताली बजाई. The entrance to the cave opened, and the gate of the cave was opened. और cave का दरवाजा खुल गया. The inside is splendid beyond anything one can convey. The inside scene, the inside scene of the cave was so marvelous that it can't be explained in words. वो इतना सुंदर था, शानदार था, इसको वर्ड में एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकते. Please let me show. Sir, please come. I will show you. मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. Your Majesty, the way. Your Majesty, okay. I will show you the way to enter the landscape. मैं आपको लैंडस्केप में एंटर करने का रास्ता दिखाऊंगा. The painter entered the cave. Painter entered the cave or went inside the cave, but the entrance closed behind him. As he entered, as he went or got inside the cave, the entrance of the cave got closed. बंद हो गया. जैसे ही वो पेंटर अंदर गया और वो अंदर से वो केव बंद हो गया. Before the astonished emperor could move or utter a word, before emperor could move, इससे पहले emperor कुछ चल पाता और utter a word और say a word और कुछ word कह पाता, he was shocked. He was shocked. The painting had vanished from the wall. The painting was disappeared from the wall. पेंटिंग भी वॉल से गायब हो गई. Not a trace of wood or brush was left. Not a single color, not a single brush or color of the brush. Okay, not a single color was left on the wall. Wall पर कोई कलर बचा ही नहीं. The whole painting got vanished, got disappeared. And the artist was never seen again in this world. And that artist was not seen again in this world. He also disappeared along with his painting. वो भी अपनी पेंटिंग के साथ गायब हो गए. Stories played an important part in China's classical education. In the classical education of China, such story is taught to the students. The books of Confucius. Confucius was a philosopher. The books of Confucius and Zhangguozi are full of them. The book of Confucius and Zhangguozi were full of them. Confucius की बुक और Zhangguozi की बुक इन सब कहानियों से भरी हुई है. They help the master to guide his disciple. Okay, they help their master to guide, to show the way his disciple. वे अपने disciple को, अपने शिष्यों को, यानी कि the paintings help the master. Paintings help the master to guide his disciple. Paintings अपने master को उनके शिष्य के रूप में guide करती है. In the right direction. In the right direction. So from which angle you have to enter the painting? From which angle you have to see that painting? Okay. Beyond the antidote. beyond the short story, say, beyond the incident. They are deeply revealing of the spirit in which art was considered. They are deeply revealing of the spirit. These pictures, these paintings reveals the spirit. So this picture opens the spirit, open the soul of art. These जो स्पिरिट हैं वो आर्ट की सोल को ओपन कर देती हैं. Which art was considered and that art was accepted in China. Contrast this story. On the other hand of this story, another famous one about a painter. There is also a famous story about the art or about a painter who could not draw the eye of a dragon. That painter was unable. That painter was unable to draw the eye of a dragon. ये पेंटर जो था वो ड्रैगन की आई नहीं बना सका था. He had painted वो पिक्चर जो उसने बनाई थी. For fear it would fly out of the painting. Because if he would draw the eye of the dragon, the dragon would fly from the painting. तो ड्रैगन जो है वो पेंटिंग से निकल जाएगा, उड़ जाएगा. With an old story from my native Flanders. Okay, this is the old story. Okay, told my native. मेरे देश के रहने वाले लोगों ने, मेरे पड़ोस के लोगों ने मुझे बताई थी. That I find most representative of Western painting because I was the representative of the Western painting. क्योंकि मैंने Western painting में I find all these things. I find all these things in the Western paintings. In 15th century Antwerp. Now the story of 15th century, there was a master blacksmith named Antwerp called Quentin Mestis fell in love with the painter's daughter. This blacksmith called Quentin Mestis and fell in love with the painter's daughter, and he falls in love with the painter's daughter. उसे किसी पेंटर की डॉटर से प्रेम हो गया. The father would not accept a son-in-law in such a profession, and father-in-law would be Sasur. Father-in-law could not accept his son-in-law in the profession of blacksmith. Okay, means Alan Smith, you can say that कि एक फादर जो थे वो अपने दामाद को एक लोहार के रूप में स्वीकार नहीं कर सकते थे. Though the father would not accept a son-in-law in such a profession, so Quentin sneaked into the painter's studio. So Quentin जो इंसान था, जो blacksmith था, just entered. Sneak means entered into the painter's studio. वो पेंटर के स्टूडियो में आ गया. And painted a fly on his latest panel, and he also painted a fly. He also draw a fly on the panel. panel के ऊपर एक fly draw कर दी. Such a delicate religion. It was quite a real painting. That the master tried to sweat it. The master painter tried many times to fly it before he realized what had happened. And then draw a fly, as the fly was so real that the master painter came and he tried to sweat away. He tried to fly away that fly, but he could not fly away it because it was only a painting. a real painting. He realized what happened, and then he came to know that it was only a painting, not a real life. Quentin was immediately admitted as an apprentice into his studio. Now the master painter Quentin, accepted Quentin in his studio as an apprentice. एक नवयुवक के रूप में, एक नए नए कलाकार के रूप में, and Quentin was accepted as a fresh painter, in the studio of Antwerp. He married his beloved daughter. He got married with his daughter and went on to become one of the most famous painters of his age. And after that, he became the most famous painter. After that, after marriage, he became the most famous painter of that age. age means युग, वो उस युग का एक बहुत फेमस पेंटर बन गया. These two stories illustrate, these two stories tell or shows what each form of art is trying to achieve. Now, these stories can show that what type of art is was being done at that time. The art of the time was at its highest peak. उस समय जब ड्राइंग थी वो बड़ी हाईएस्ट पीक पर थी. एवरीथिंग लुक्ड रियल ऑन द कैनवास. हर चीज कैनवास पर बिल्कुल रियल लगती थी. Okay, perfected. The painting was quite perfected. Illuminatic likeness in Europe. Okay, now this painting was liked in Europe. The essence of inner life. Now the painter could pour the inner essence of life in this painting. Painting के अंदर पेंटर लाइफ आंतरिक जीवन